up, Diva fam, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Obviously, you can tell by the title down below. Today we'll be talking about BoxyCharm. This is actually my February box. It's the BoxyCharm base box. I'm a little late to it, but it also came late at the very end of the month. And it also came heavily damaged. Like, look at this. Do you see this? And it's not just that one corner. It's this corner where this was already coming broken out. Like, it's just all over the place. It's the US Postal System. It's not BoxyCharm. I know that. But hopefully none of these products came broken. That is my only hope, that nothing came broken. So, without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump into this so you guys know the gist. If you like videos like this, send the video a big thumbs up because it helps me out so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because you know you want to. And don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D. And let's just go ahead and get into it. Alright, so first off, let's talk about this. So, we saw in my previous unboxing, which I did in February earlier, which was my premium box, they did have a big card in there that basically said there was big news coming. So for those of you who don't know, IPSY purchased a BoxyCharm a while ago, so they were underneath the same umbrella. Now they're finally combining into one, which we have all been asking for, because I know from experience for myself, for those of you who haven't been here before, I was purchasing IPSY and BoxyCharm, and actually January was the first month I actually decided to skip IPSY, and then I ended up skipping IPSY in February too, which was by accident because I really wanted that Glam Bag X, but I ended up getting it, and for some reason I didn't realize I had to take it off pause and reactivate it again. So I saved myself some money, but at the end of the day, now they're merging all into one. This is actually taking place on April. So March will be the last month that we are getting both dueling of IPSY and BoxyCharm, which again, I just went ahead and actually just canceled IPSY completely. So I'm not getting like quadruple products from both of them at the same time. And they were both under different email addresses, so I don't know how that was going to combine, because it said that if you had them by both, they would merge for you. But I feel like I just went ahead and just canceled IPSY and made it a lot easier for myself. So anyway, starting in April, you'll be able to go onto IPSY's website, and now you'll be able to access your BoxyCharm area, and everything's just underneath the one tier umbrella, and we don't have to deal with having the battle anymore, which kind of sucks because I actually really liked doing like the battle of the boxes, you know what I mean? That was actually really fun, but oh well, it is what it is at this point. So anyways, I do actually receive BoxyCharm base box in the BoxyCharm Luxe box and also the premium. I actually get all three of them, but now what's going to end up happening, I don't know if, I think it said it'll automatically keep going the way that it is. So this coming month I'm getting the BoxyCharm Luxe box in place of my base box. I'm still getting premium. Now what's going to end up happening, prices are going to be exactly the same. They're just going to have different names. So the base box is still going to be BoxyCharm. The BoxyCharm Premium is now going to be BoxyCharm with a beauty boost because you get an extra product with it. And then your Glam Bag X by IPSY or your Boxy Luxe box is now going to be the Icon box. Same prices, different titles, different names. I just hope that they keep the whole like curated boxes going. I really enjoyed when they did that. They did like one brand ones, or when they would do them curated by like a makeup artist and things like that. So I hope they still keep that around. I haven't fully watched like all the information videos that they've been releasing about everything, and I wonder if that's going to change or not. So if anyone knows that, let me know in the comments down below. But let's quickly just get into this box and see if anything came broken at all. So I already threw the card on the ground. I just haven't touched anything in here. So I do know the item that I got to choose was this one right here. It is the Rare Beauty Foundation in 150C. So this is what the foundation looks like. I think I should have gotten a different one. This is like when I'm like extremely pale, but that's the foundation I have behind me, or not behind me, but in my drawer. So I really just wanted to get a refill on this. I really do love this foundation, so I'm glad this is actually an option for us to get. But 150, cool. I think I'm actually, I think I'm actually more on the neutral side now, but I just got back from Florida, so I think that's why, because I'm more like on the tanner side. But I can always just, you know, bronze it up, so we'll figure it out there. Then the other smaller items that are in here. So it looks like we have the Lawless, the Forget the Filler, Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss. So I think I already have this. I'm pretty sure this is sitting in there. Yep, it is. So I do already have this in my collection, but I'm going to set this off to the side for a giveaway at some point. I will start doing my giveaways again going into this month of March. And to be honest, not all of my stuff from Vlogmas got claimed. Not everything from Vlogmas got claimed, which is kind of sad. I have 2 items that are still sitting over here. Enough time's gone by, and I even chose secondary winners after that, and they still never got back to me. So at this point, I think I'm just going to throw those into the giveaway pile and just put that there for future references. Or maybe, again, when I go to declutter my makeup collection, we'll see what happens. But again, March is coming. I will be redoing my giveaway, and so repicking it back up in March. So there is that. Then we've got 2 other smaller products that are in here. This is the Swipe Right Brow Gel. This is in the shade Clear by the Creme Shop. I actually haven't really tried that many products by the Creme Shop. If you guys have, please let me know in the comments down below. I know I used to see the Creme Shop. Is this, someone please tell me if I'm right or wrong. Didn't we used to see the Creme Shop all the time in Claire's? And does Claire's still around? Because the Claire's that used to be in Jefferson Point is no longer there. And I haven't been to the mall in so long to even know Claire's even exists. But there are some people that really like the Creme Shop, and now I've started seeing the Creme Shop like makeup and stuff in CVS. So very interesting that that is a product that we got there. Then we got another brow product back to back. This is the Billion Dollar Brows Condition Your Brows for Day and Night. It is a brow conditioner. Daily use eyebrow conditioner contains plant-based extract, antioxidants that help promotes fuller looking brows and healthier. So I guess it's supposed to like grow your brows. Essentially, can be worn all day under your brow makeup, primer, or while you sleep. So I'm hoping that's what it's supposed to do. It just helps promote fuller looking brows. I just recently shaved my brows a little bit just because I didn't like where they were going. So I kind of shaved the ends a little bit, but I've gone ahead and just used a pencil today to kind of shape them out, which I really like that. I remember when Michaela did that, and I think Nikki Tutorials did the same thing too, but they kind of brought it in here, and then they were able to kind of make the wing, the end, go where they want it to be. So that's kind of what I did, but they were just getting all funky, and I don't feel like paying for the money to go get them professionally done if I'm just going to do them myself, because I take tweezers, I take the little shaver, do all of that. So there's that. So that's 1, 2, 3, oh my god, 3, 4, I don't know where that lip gloss just went. I just had it. Don't know what I did with it. And this is the very last item that is in here. This is the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. Okay. Very, very cute packaging. I love banana pudding. It's so good. So good. Okay, let's see. It is, like I said, it's by Beauty Bakery. And, oh, little bananas. Look at little bananas. And then this is what the palette looks like. So, as we can tell, it does have some shimmers. It does have some mattes. Very, very neutral. The mango, the orange shade is really pretty. The warm cocoa brown. I mean, I don't think it's anything that's special. I'm going to be honest. When I see this palette, though, I don't think banana pudding. You know what I mean? Like, I don't think banana pudding. You think there would have been at least, like, a yellow shade like this in here. So I feel like they kind of missed the mark on this. I mean, you guys let me know in the comments down below. Do you think they missed the mark on this? I think they kind of did. So there's that. And in the cart that we got, there's no price value. So obviously in these boxes, we're supposed to get over $125 in value. I don't know if we got that or not. I mean, I think the Rare Beauty Foundation's like $30-something. I'm going to expect that this palette itself is probably like $20-something. So that's about 50 bucks there. The Lawless, I could probably imagine, is maybe like another 20 bucks. So that's 70. And if we think that these are worth more than $10, you have to be kidding me. So I'm going to say we got under our amount that we should have gotten. Except I still don't know what I just did with that freaking Lawless. Like, where did I just put that? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to have to roll the camera back because I have no idea where it went. So, anyways, so that is the end of that. I don't know, I think that box was like subpar, wasn't really that great. Not really happy with it, but hopefully March will be better. The Rare Beauty product is the only thing that actually is great because I paid like, I don't know, a slightly discount for this box. This box is $27.99 without tax. and that foundation itself is like over 30 bucks. So I got it at a slightly discounted price. Not really mad at it. Anyways, so that is the end of this video. You guys let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about the whole IPSY BoxyCharm merge. Are you guys going to be purchasing? Are you going to be canceling any of your subscriptions? What are your thoughts? I need to know. Let me know in the comments down below. So again, I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you in the next one. So you guys know the gist. If you like videos like this video, big thumbs up because it helps me out so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because you know you want to, and don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Senior D, and I'll see you in the next one.